Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Odyssey. So today we'll be solving a Leetcode problem number 9, so which is basically a palindrome number. So let's first understand about the palindrome number. Like basically if you take a number, let's say 1 to 1, and if we read it from left to right, it's 1 to 1, and even if we read it from right to the left, from right to left, it's also 1 to 1. So that kind of number which reads same either from left to right or from right to left, so that is called as a palindrome number. And if we see here example number 2, -1 to 1, so if we read it from the left to the right, it reads as -1 to 1. So but if we read it from right to the left, so it becomes 1, 2 and -1. So this is not the same, like reading it from left to right and reading from right to left, so it's not the same. So this is not a palindrome number. So basically we have to check if a number is palindrome or not, and the input will be basically a number, and the output we have to like give it in the boolean form, either true or false. So this is the problem, and basically you can solve this problem in one line. So that is a very easy and shortcut method, like you can just return true, if, so let's say basically if our x, so is our input, so it is in the integer form, so we can convert that input into a string format, and strx, so will now basically be string. And if it equals to strx, and what we can do is we are going to reverse this, so let's say if our input x is let's say 1 to 1, then this this 2 is basically reverse it, so it will also be 1 to 1. So if our the input was 1 to 1 3, then this value, so this value will basically be 3 1 2 1. So what this does is it basically just reverse the given input, so so obviously if the input x string so is equal to its reversed form, so then that is obviously a palindrome number, like strx will be 1 to 1, and it's reversed. When we reverse it, it will also be 1 to 1. So so and if this both are equal, so 1 to 1 equals to 1 to 1, so and we are going to return true, so otherwise we are going to return, so basically false. So this is the logic. So it will just check if the input x in the string format so is basically equal to its reversed format, and if it is both are equal, so that will return true, and otherwise it will return false. So this is basically a condition we are checking if so this is a palindrome or not. So here let's say if our input was 1 to 1 3, then it will basically check with 3 1 2 1, so this will basically reverse the given input, so 3 1 2 1, and obviously this is not true, so and it will return false, so this is basically a very simple logic so to solve this problem. So now let's run it, and yeah, and all the cases are accepted. So case number 1, case number 2, case number 3, and I can just submit to it, and if I submit, yeah, it's accepted, and yeah, 88.28, so yeah, it's really nice. So this is how you can solve this problem of palindrome number with the Leetcode. So thank you so much. So if you like this video, and please do subscribe as well if you find it useful. Thank you so much. See you next time.